My name's Jesse Anser. I'm the marketing director here at Waveside Waterpark, and I've been here, this is my 8th season. Whalestail we describe as the better choice, and there's a multitude of reasons for that. Being located in the heart of the White Mountains, Whalestail is extremely unique. Just the views you get when you're on the towers waiting for your slide are awesome, and the ride mix here is so unique. There's truly something for everyone in the family, and I think that's what keeps people coming back. We've been around since 1984, back when we were Fantasy Farm with the original South Tower slide, and we've kind of evolved from there into really a mainstream water park. We have Bonsai Pipeline and the Eye of the Storm, which are definitely two of our flagship attractions for older people in the group. You know, those are kind of our thrilling rides.
3, 2, 1, launch!
We also have Akua Beach, which is our surf simulator. So that's kind of more of an experience-based ride. So every time you get on it, it's going to be a little different depending on what you put in is what you're going to get out of it. For the smaller kids and whatnot, we've got Shipwreck Island and Whale Harbor, which are both huge spray grounds, which offer a variety of slides or interactive pieces for kids. Outside of rides, we have live entertainment. We've got our summer concert series, whether it's music or a DJ or a band. We have a full-service bar, 2 full-service restaurants, so there's plenty to keep everybody entertained here. As Whalestail evolves, we pride ourselves on continuing to deliver legendary experiences. We limit our ticket sales, so a sold-out day here, you're still not waiting in extravagant lines. You're still going to get to do every ride you want, which just adds to that overall experience of being better. What I love most about being here is just seeing the experiences that people have. You know, you stand at the bottom of the slide for a while. Everyone that comes down says, I want to do it again. And just, there's so much excitement. Everyone's having a good day. And it just makes my job really easy. Your day at Whalestail is going to be one to remember.